How to put notes in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can put notes in Messenger. Notes is an updated feature in Messenger which allows users to share their thoughts in up to 60 characters. So in order to put notes in Messenger, make sure that you are using an updated version of Messenger. So to get started, firstly open your Messenger application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now just click on the plus button on your profile and create your note. Keep in mind that note is limited only for 60 characters and is also available on your profile only for 24 hours. Once you create your note, finally click on share option at the upper right corner, and that's it. This is how easily you can put notes on Messenger. Now your notes will be visible to the friends on your Messenger. So there you have it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.